Today on Living in Fort Worth, here's a property tour of 312 Rimrock. This lovely one-story ranch-style home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, has just had foundation repair completed as well as plumbing repair in order to give it a passing hydrostatic test. Noticed new windows. Also, the roof was replaced this year as well. Let's take a look inside. Enter into the main living room with bright skylights, slightly sunk in living room with wood burning fireplace. This house has no carpet. It has tile or luxury vinyl plank throughout. This house has tile and laminate throughout. You'll notice this nice open kitchen with upgraded granite backsplash and stainless steel appliances, including a farmhouse sink. It also has a designated dining area with a nice bay window and separate laundry room that does not have to lead into the garage. Nice large pantry here off the kitchen, as well as additional storage. And an added sunroom, perfect for those pets when you're at work during the day or for a man cave. The backyard offers mature trees and a patio entertainment space with raised beds for your gardening. Heading down the hall, you have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 2 with accent wallpaper. Plenty of hall storage and 2 updated bathrooms. This one with pedestal sinks, new tile throughout, and the primary bedroom with walk-in closet and barn door leading to the fully renovated primary bath. I love the countertops in here, and look at this lovely shower with double heads. This home is listed for $300,000. And as I said, it has a new roof. It has foundation repair with warranty that is transferable to the new owner, passing hydrostatic test for the plumbing, and new low E vinyl double pane windows. Thank you so much for watching Living in Fort Worth.